Hi YouTube, today I'm going to do video JavaScript tutorial part 3, and part 2 I mean. I'm going to teach you the if and else statements that I told you about last time, the while loop and the for loop. And if I have enough time, I really hope that I can get you to learn Canvas in this video, but I probably can't. Let me do that. Oops, wait a second. And okay, that's better. Let's see more. In the last video, you did a button, and it activates the function ask name, and then it does it asks your name using the prompt, and it saves it within a variable called name, and then it does anything like that. And then I left you off with you press cancel or you pressed OK. Like that, you can do 90, I90, pressed OK. And like that. And this is using the if else statement. The if else is actually really easy. It's if whatever in here is true or false. You can either put true, false, a variable, what it equals, what the value is, like that. If this equals true, this is kind of advanced. Not really, but it's basic, but it's kind of advanced. If this is equal to true, which means you pressed OK, it activates true. And if this C is true, it scans if you pressed OK or cancel. If it's true, then you pressed OK. Else, if you pressed the X or the cancel, then you pressed cancel, and it would be false. There's also else if, but I'm not going to explain. I can explain it real quick. It's pretty much another if, except if it's else, if it's else from this, and it's like not exactly this statement. If that's not exactly true, then this statement might be true for it. And then it's like else confirm I don't know. And then else, if it doesn't go, if this doesn't match it, or if this doesn't match it at all, whoa, or if this doesn't match it, then it runs this piece. And if that doesn't match it, I don't know what happens. Probably just goes to else because it doesn't have anything else. Know that. Hi, okay, press OK, and activate, cancel, okay. Hi, no, oh, that's dead. Whoa, wait, let me do this again. No. I know. X, you pressed cancel. Oh yeah, so it doesn't do anything. So if they don't enter something, I would put else, just doing that. Okay, I explained it. Else, anything else than this, then it runs this block, and that can't happen. Else can never be ran unless you call it yourself. Oops. Or you just, when you call it yourself, this will never run. And this, you pretty much already know. I explained it already. And then we get into while and for loops. This is usually for drawing, and this is where Canvas comes in. So while, this one you have to already declare a variable. Let's change this to while loop. While, I'll just change it like that. Whoa. Okay, while you have to already have a variable variable, so I'm going to put variable I is equal to, let's say, 0, and then while I is less than 90 or something, 91, I plus like that. You can do that, or you can do that. This actually means I adds one every single time, so it adds 1 until 91. And then there's this other one where you can do plus equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it goes up to 5 or 6 or whatchamajig, whatever you put in there, and then until 91. I'm not sure if it goes over or not, but I'm gonna try this. 90, and then it alerts I. Whoa, and that's still plus plus, so then you see how it works. And let's not put it so make me click 30 times. Ask name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, it's actually adding 1 every time. 29, 30, 31. See, like that. And then if you do this, ready? Equals 2 and make that an even number. 30, so we don't have to click as much. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Wow, I clicked faster than I could speak. And then if you do minus, and if I is greater than 30, you can do minus 2, and that can be 800. But I don't want to do that. I want to see how many times. Yeah, this, you can make a game off this. Like, there was this money game where you slide your finger, and then I think it's called Let It Rain or Make It Rain or something like that. And then you slide your finger like that. It's an app on your phone, Android app, I think. You slide it up, and then the money for that adds. And this one was canvas. You can just put like every single time you get plus 1, you get 1, it adds by, and then it clears the whole canvas and puts the number in instead of just putting alert, so you can't like do it. So I want to do that in this video. Oh yeah, the for loop. There's also the for loop, and you don't have to declare. You only have to declare the you can. Oh wait, okay. You describe or you set the variable inside the for loop. So I is equal to 0, and then you put semicolons, not commas, because that wouldn't work. The computer wouldn't understand it. They would just say error or something on Code Academy Labs or something like that. They'd say false or null or something. And then it's like I is less than 90. And then I plus equal. It's pretty much the same thing, except then you can put anything in there instead of just doing that. Because you already put that in here. This is what's in the while loop, and then that's the variable. So I'm going to do alert I, and for this, for the variable that you already set, you don't need quotes around it, or else it will just put I, say I the whole time, like this. Ready? Save on. I. See that? That would do that. Oops, activate loop. And then it would just do that. And in here, it actually tells that 0, 8, 24, 3. Yes, it's already. And that's how big it is. And I'm going to show the canvas. It's really fun if I'm doing this. I don't think I have enough time, but okay, so if I do explain this quick. Okay. So canvas is you put the canvas tag around here, you have to put an ID, and then you have to describe a width and a height. You can do that either using style like that, or width is like, or width is equal to anything like that. But I like to put it in here, like CSS. Okay, so I'm going to put page. Oh man, actually numbers. And then to make it easier for you to see where it is, you can put a border if you want to. Well, you kind of have to see it, so then you know where everything is. I'm going to put a border here. You don't have to do border radius, but you can if you want to. 2 pixels, yellow, like that. Okay. And the text align also works for canvas and image, if you noticed that in the last videos. Loop. There. IDs, numbers. Okay, this comes up if you don't have Chrome, and you put it H2, header 2. Go get Chrome, or you can't see this. Oh. Or you can't see this page. And then you can't see the canvas, or see this canvas. Actions. And then I can put text align is the center. Like that. Okay, there. Oh no, it's almost done. Okay, I have to do this quick. You have to do a variable is C, and then it does document dot get element. Whoa, did I spell by ID? And then you put the ID in the quotes. It's numbers of the canvas, so then you can do it. So you can do the functions that they put. And then CTX is equal to C dot get context, so it's 2D, not 3D, because 3D is kind of hard. 2D, and then you can start doing function. Whoa, can I finish this? I don't know. Loop. Okay, there. Okay. So you can do CTX dot begin pass. It begins the pass of your shape or anything you want to, your line. I'm going to put green. Try to make it as close as I can. Fill rectangle and as quick as I can. Let's just put no, that's too much. 50. Oh yeah, this was text, right? Yeah. Excuse me. Font is equal to, and then you do the size of it. Let's do 14 pixels. Courier new, favorite font. And then you can do fill text. Something like that. And then you have to have your thing right here. Oh man, I can't do it unless I just don't explain it, but okay, let's just do 50-50. The X and Y, I is the variable I is equal to 0, tab, undo, tab, okay, and then I think I can do this, while I is less than 90, and then I can do this, I plus save, and then you can run it for yourself. Activate loop 90. Oh, and it doesn't change. Oh, I don't have enough time, subscribe, hit the like button.